as you can see, we are covering up the receding hairline. So few important points. The hairline has to be zigzag. Okay, first 2 rows have to be fine hairs. Okay, and over here one has to be very flat with the temples, the implantation of the hair. Then gradually we increase the angle of the hair. Okay, here also it has to be very flat. Okay, and then gradually we come this side, same we go that side. So we're going to cover this area, around 1000 grafts here, and we're going to put 1000 grafts there. As you can see, just can you do the implantation? As you can see, this is the pen implant, so there is hardly any bleeding because we're not making any nick or something, so you can hardly see any bleeding, so less trauma. The tip of the hair, the epidermis, is just at the above the scalp, but the beauty is that no touching of the hair grafts, precise depth control, because the implanters have a precise depth control. If the size of the graft is 4, the implanter is only going up to the 4. After that there is a stopper there. Okay, and see the directions. Okay, so you can see clearly. Can you hardly see any bleeding? No. We're going to put 40 grafts per square centimeters, and it's a very good dense packaging. But over here you see the zigzag, just a few single hair follicle for the first 2 rows. Okay, thank you. Okay dear, you're a software engineer, right? Software company owner, right?
Yes.
Okay, so how was the procedure? Not much pain?
There is no pain.
Okay, thanks. So like around 2000 grafts, right?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, you'll be in touch with our doctors in case you have any pain and all, so you can take a painkiller. Right, some swelling will come for 3rd to 5th day. They're going to put up a tape here. Then if some swelling comes, then you have to massage your forehead and or put cold ice packs and all. You have to send every 3rd day, pictures of the donor and the recipient to the doctors so they can follow it up.
Perfect.
And of course 4-5 hours are important after procedure, because the local anesthesia takes that much time, to get out of the system, so that you have to tell. Okay, so this is just after the procedure. As you can say, hardly any traumatic, hardly any bleeding. Now they are going to put something at your donor so that post-operative a few white dots are avoided. Okay, and so that's called a special gel and a special collagen product and some special cells, so that the mark is reduced. It cannot be 100% reduced, but the punch size is less, plus which allows the process of healing much better, to avoid, if you want to keep a shave which 0 cut shave or 1 cut shave, so we should try to avoid those white dots. Okay. Perfect. So why did you choose this clinic? You have been going around a lot of places, right? So let us get a feedback.
Yes, after I met you and then after the consultation with you, I think I was very confident to choose Anagan.
Yeah, okay, fine. And how do you choose a good clinic? Can you tell others who want to know about it? The technique part is the instant part also, right?
Yes. Just go to the reviews. Okay, I'm going to put my reviews as well.
Okay, thank you so much. So for 3 things important here, which we discussed before, is instant hair transplant. Means punch it, don't take out the grafts, take out few and implant it, take out few and implant it.
Yes.
And then again repeat the same procedure after the lunch. So the graft is not outside the body for 15 to 30 minutes.
So it won't die, yes.
Yeah, so that's a method. Then of course single hair follicles in the front, soft hair in the front, zigzag hairline. Then as you see, the power of pen implanters. Hardly any trauma, right?
Yes.
So you can see the bleeding is not there, as if you can just straight away walk out. So the trauma is less, so survival will be more, because the stress on the scalp will be less. So very few people are trained in pen implanters. So the pen implanter is the important thing. And then how to avoid or reduce post-FUE white dots is the next big thing we have to think. Okay dear, so hope to have a great pictures after few months with your before and after pictures. So be in touch, keep sending the pictures for follow-up to the doctor.